All right, shall we go to the kitchen?
Welcome back to Us Four.
I'm Lindsay.
I'm Shelly.
I'm Sam.
I'm Cece.
And today we're gonna be baking cookies blindfolded.
Let's do it.
Let's go to the kitchen.
This is kind of scary and should not be in charge of this.
All right, so let's begin.
I can already tell they look good.
Okay, so we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies.
The first thing that you're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
First, we're gonna start with the flour.
Okay. How much do I need?
You just need 1 cup.
Oh, just.
Just one.
To your left, left. That one.
1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar.
Did you see that?
Did you see that?
Okay, that's enough.
To the right. Right.
This one? Oh, no, yeah, there, no.
Let me do it.
I'm really bad at those.
You just have to be patient.
I'm super patient right now.
Are you?
I think she could do this by herself.
Am I supposed to put it in with the flour or doesn't it go with the butter?
Okay. Yeah, right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
What?
High five.
Whoa.
You could actually pour the rest of that in there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then just dump that in.
Just put it down. Well, not in there.
Was that the bowl?
Yeah, that was the bowl.
Oh, you didn't see it?
Weird.
Jesus Christ, Shelly.
Maybe I need glasses.
Yep, keep it going just a little.
Christ, you stress me out.
Oh.
Okay, go right. Sorry, I think I said left. Right. Right in the box. Yes.
This?
Perfect.
Okay.
Am I blind?
It would suck to be blind.
Yeah.
Well, I feel like I'm trying to help you read, but I can't.
Will you help me? What does that say? Okay, it's one teaspoon of baking soda.
You don't need that
Is
much.
this?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good. And you're good. You're
Oh.
so good. Good. Now dump it in. Perfect.
Sorry.
Good. And
I have to close the microwave.
Oh, sorry, I couldn't watch that. Oh yeah, you have to
Okay.
close the microwave if you want to. There you go.
I'm gonna make a mess.
It's fine. I realized that I was reading the wrong ingredients, but it's fine because everything's pretty much the same except for the flour. We just need to add another 1/4 cup.
Now let's find the bowl.
Right there.
No.
So just dump it in all
Yep.
the way.
Mm-hmm.
They have two. They have chocolate peanut butter bars on here, and I was reading that one like an idiot. So
Okay, we switched because
I could see a little.
she could see a little bit, and we don't want her to see it all.
Shelly, you moron!
Yes,
Okay,
and then whisk it away.
I feel like a real baker.
Where's the here?
there's that. Yeah, you could use that.
I do it on the bowl.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
I just got an eggshell in there. I just heard it.
No?
I didn't?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I just tried to look in that box. I don't know if anybody realized that, but I just tried to like.
I put it a little bit more toward the bowl, so move a little bit to your right. You're right. Yep, there we go.
You're good.
This is hard.
I was just about to say, what if we were both blindfolded, but then I realized that nobody could read the instructions. So that would have been
tell
pretty
us.
stupid.
Yum.
Yum.
2 sticks of butter. Okay, and then you're gonna reach towards Cece
Okay.
in the box right there. Perfect.
Wow.
I like how I said in the box like you knew.
That's so good. Oh my god, you're doing so good.
Thank you, Cece.
You know, you creepy weirdo!
Not.
You are!
Now that I have a disability, you can't talk to me in this manner.
Okay.
Real good.
Oh my gosh, you're doing so
Thank you
good.
so much, Cece.
Just throw this away.
Yeah, the trash can is open. Keep going, straight up.
Perfect. In there. Oh god. Put your hand.
Definitely in.
Tensions are running high in the home.
Perfect.
Yes. A lot closer than I was expecting it to be.
Oh, I love it's a real cute mess.
more.
Oh man, you move really slow.
Almost lost the egg.
So 1 1/4. Is it this one?
Keep going, keep going.
This is scary. I feel like I'm about to hit you in the face with a door.
You're good. Keep coming this way. Follow the sound of my voice.
Okay, don't do that. Okay, just shake it though.
That's our chance.
Oh,
What?
you just dumped it out. It's
I
fine.
did?
Yeah, but it's cool. Let's just keep going. You know, keep going. It's okay. Just
How much did I dump out?
I don't really know. I just
Where did
poured
it dump?
Bold
Yes, no, it's in the bowl, but
He does not do well on these sorts of
Yeah,
situations.
Jesus,
No,
I want to switch
it's
partners.
okay. No, you can't switch partners. We're gonna be fine. I love you. Let's keep going.
Yes, perfect.
Oh.
Alright.
Nice noise.
Yay, we did that part. Okay, let's move on.
And whisk.
That's fine.
Yeah, you did it.
Okay.
And dump it right in the bowl. Yes, perfect. Woo! That's awesome. We did that part.
Oh, it was a little close.
No! And we're just gonna eyeball it.
Okay.
Except for you have no eyeballs.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay, good. That's perfect. Okay.
Fine.
And mix it up.
Keep going, keep going, keep tipping, keep tipping, keep tipping, keep tipping. Okay, wait, maybe squeeze just a little. Keep going, 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 keep going. And that's perfect.
That was so stressful.
Right?
Mix it all together, and you know that it's the
Best of both worlds.
Ah! I can't see. You're my mentor.
Yes. Am I a good mentor?
You are.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Now grab your wooden spoon.
Me and wooden spoons don't get along. That's why I'm using this one.
Oh.
Are
Yeah.
we doing snickerdoodles?
Yeah.
I thought we were making chocolate chip cookies.
Yes.
So now let's grab the wooden spoon.
Let's do the wooden spoon. It makes me feel like a grandma.
Mix.
Oh, my arm's already tired. This is so fun, Cece.
This is really fun. I really
Have
like
you
this
ever
a lot.
had more fun?
No.
Me either.
I think this is a bonding experience for Savannah and I.
Okay.
Wow, you're doing very good. This is really, really good.
Thank you so much.
It's getting thick. Thick with 2 C's and 1 Q. Ooh, yeah, that was pretty good.
Let's grab the sugar.
My noodle arms were not meant to do this.
Yes, queen! Yes!
Perfect.
Stir that around a little bit.
Preheat the oven to 375
Oh,
instead
you're
of 350. And then you're gonna go down. Press that. All right.
Ah.
Perfect. And now we're preheating to 375.
Yes, baby girl, that looks so stirred. Oh my god.
Oh
Who is she? You did so good. Let's grab a pan.
Okay.
Give me a second. I'm just making room for you
Thank you so
and your
much.
awesome cooking skills because
my
you're
God,
awesome.
Cece.
You're so good.
Yeah, I'm gonna get cooking spray.
How did you know where it was?
I
she lives
I
here.
live here. Actually, like this is I'm like getting used to it.
I think I'm getting used to it too.
Yeah.
Easy. Yeah, that's perfect. Keep going, yeah. Yeah, that was pretty good. Alright. Oh, sorry. Alright, you're gonna. Hello.
Now we're just gonna let's do this as fast as we can, okay?
Now before we start rolling them up into dough, I need you to take a little pinch of it and then just kind of like hold it up a little and then just yeah.
It's like what is going on? Okay.
Okay, that's a ball. That's good. Perfect. Now let's go fast because we want to beat Shelly and Lindsay. Go Savannah. Go Savannah.
There you go.
There.
Like I think you should go faster.
Good teamwork.
It is a game. It actually is a race.
They touch.
I think that the problem here is that I'm really competitive and I feel like I could go faster.
No touching.
Because we're awesome!
It's a sin if they touch.
You're right.
We were for Jesus.
One.
Last one! You can do it! It's not an us for video if I don't clap way too loud.
There.
Okay, so
Up or
just
down?
straight in.
And then go a little down. Go a little down.
Oh,
Yes.
there it is. Okay.
There you go. And just slide in. Careful. Perfect.
Okay, so now your finger over to the left a little bit. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Keep going, to the left. And good. Up. No, don't push cancel. Go up. And then to the left. And there you go. Hit it. Perfect. And we did it. High five. Woo!
And press.
Perfect. I get it.
That's it.
It's so bright. Wow.
These look really good.
We did it.
We did it.
Hell yeah.
All right. That was really fun.
Good evening.
We finished making our cookies. These were the ones that Sav and I made. Turned out like rocks. So that's awesome. Thanks for watching.
We did it.